वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। आंगिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं नुमं सात्विकं शिवं। समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्श क्षमस्य मे। गेट रेडी फॉर नमस्कार स्टार्ट। All right, now let's start with Mishra Alaripo. Mishra Chapu will be the tala. So begin. Standing position, head straight, back straight, feet together. Talang kutum takata dingana tum ta tay yum tat tam kit takata tay yum tat tam kit takatam te tam kit takatay tat tay 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 kit takatam te tam tay tatay tam 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 te tam kit takatay tat tay kit takatam 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 te tam tay tatay tam 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 te tam kit takatay tat tay kit takatam 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 te tam tay tatay tam 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 te tam tay ta tay tam de tam, tay ta tay tam de tam, tay ta tay ta ri ta kin na jam, ta ta ri ta kin na jam, ta ka na ka jam ta ri ta ding na tom, ta ka ta ding na tom, ta ka ti ko ta ding na tom tam. Digu taka taka digu taka digu taka digu taka taka digu taka digu taka digu taka taka digu taka digu taka dana kutum taka ta ding na tom ta. Tayyum tat tam kittakata. All right, Mishra Alaripu. Now I would say you play this again from the beginning and practice again. If you have done any error or any mistake while doing Alaripu, if there is any part which is still a little weak, you practice that part again. Okay. Basically, you have to take care of your postures, your elbows throughout most of the items. Your bendings, mandiado, proper elbow posture. No hands should fall. And tai tai tat tai taha. If there is any doubt of any step or something, you immediately message me. I'll send another video for with the steps and all. Next, we'll do the reciting of Alaripu, Mishra Alaripu, which will be definitely asked in the exam. So all of you get ready. Dalang kutum takata dingana tum ta tay tayyum tat tam kitakata tay tayyum tat tam kitakatam de tam kitakatay tat tay 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 kitakatam de tam tay tatay tam 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 de tam kitakatay tat tay kitakatam 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 de tam tay tatay tam de tam tay tatay tam de tam tay tatay tam de tam tay tatay tar takina jam takari takina jam takana ka jam tari tadingena tom tak tadingena tom tak diku tadingena tom tam digu tak 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 dalang kutum tak tadingena tom ta tay tayyum tat tam kitakatam. All right, this is Alaripu. Okay, you practice reciting and dancing both. Next we will do is Jatiswaram. Now the Jatiswaram will do like not at a stretch. We'll do the Nritta part and then we'll do the reciting part of also of the same thing. So begin from the beginning. The dance part will begin. The neck movements first, stamping, followed by the Jati, and then we'll recite the Jati also. Ready? Sa, leave one line. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa सा नि धा pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa duk tak dala kutak tik kutak ta dingin na tom ta jam tari tak ta takum tari tik tak tak jam tari tak tai takum tari tik tak ta jam tari tak ta tak jam tari tak tai ta jam tari tak jam tari ta jam kirdak targidom ta jam tari tak jam tari ta jam kirdak targidom ta jam tari tak jam tari dalang gojam kirdak targidom sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni. We'll recite the jati. First sing the pallavi. You should, there's a singing exam for you also, so sing. Sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa dalang kutakati kutakata dingina tom ta jam dari takata takum tari kita taka taka jam dari takatai kokum tari kita taka ta jam dari takata ta jam dari takatai ta jam dari taka jam dari ta jam kirdak targidom ta jam dari taka jam dari ta jam kirdak targidom ta jam dari taka jam dari dalang gujam kirdak targidom sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa. Now get ready for the first korwai. Ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa. All right, now we'll recite the first chorus. Before reciting, you remember what was the dance. Ga ma pa dha ni tai 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 tat tai ta ha tai 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 dit tai ta ha. Jump right left, that is tai tai tam. Again tai tai tam tai 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 dit dit tai 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 tam tai tai dit dit tai. Okay, see the hand position and all that. Done. When you are dancing, that time take care of all these postures. So how was the tirvanam? Tai tai tam tai 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 dit dit tai 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 tam tai tai dit dit tai 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 tam tai dit dit tai. Okay, now try reciting this. Tai 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 tat tai ta ha tai 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 dit tai ta ha tai tai tam tai 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 dit dit tai 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 tam tai tai dit dit tai 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 tam tai dit dit tai tam. Okay, remember the raga tala of this item also. Raga chakravakam tala chatushruti rupaka tala. Okay, you have to say that at the beginning of the item. Okay, get ready for the second korwai now. Ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa dha ni sa. Now try reciting this. Just remember first ga ma pa dha ni tay. Check the line of this nattadu. I'll go a little bit back so that you can see. Tay yom ta ta tay yom ta ha tay ha tay ha tay hi tay hi. Same left. Check the line. Yom ta ta tay yom ta ha tay ha tay ha tay hi tay hi tay hat tay hi tay hat tay hi tay tay didi tay tay hat tay hi tay hat tay hi tay tay didi tay tay did tay 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 tam tay didi tay tam tay didi tay tam tay didi tay tam. Okay, now you recite along with me. 1 2 3 start. Tay yom tat tat tay yom ta ha tay hat tay hi tay yom tat tat tay yom ta ha tay hat tay hi tay hat tay hi tay hat tay hi tay tay didi tay tay hat tay hi tay hat tay hi tay tay didi tay tay did tay 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 tam tay didi tay tam tay didi tay tam tay didi tay tam. Got it? Get ready for the next korvai, which is the Tishragati korvai. Ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni sa. Try. Ga ma pa dha ni tay e tay e. Check the line when you're dancing. Tay e tay e tay e tay e tay e tay e tay 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 tat tay ta ha dit tay ta ha tay tay tam tay 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 tam tay 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 tam tay 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 tam tay tay takit tay didi tay 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 tam. Got it? Now recite. 3 start. Tay 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 tay. Second speed. Tay 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 ta ha dit tay ta ha tay tay tam tay 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 tam tay 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 tam tay 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 ta tay 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 takit tay didi tay 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 tam. There's a takita gap between the tay didi tay. Okay? Yeah. Okay, next go to the Anupallavi korvai. Ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa, dha ni sa. Ga ma pa dha ni sa re ga re sa ni dha, pa dha ni dha pa ma ga re ga ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. All right, I hope you all remember the dance sequence for this. Tay tay hat tay hi tat tem da ta tit tem da ta tay tay hat tay hi tat tem da ta tit tem da ta. Then sa re ga re sa ni dha, pa dha ni dha pa ma ga re ga ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa re ga sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. That is tai di tai 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 di tai tai di tai 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 di tai tai di tai 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 di tai. Okay, you have to sing the Allu Pallavi for the exam also, so do along with me. Sa re ga re sa ni dha, pa dha ni dha pa ma ga re ga ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Got it? Okay, let's go to the two charnams now. First dance and then we'll sing both of them. Ga ma pa dha ni dha, ni dha pa ma ga re ga ma pa dha, ni sa dha ni pa dha ma pa ni dha, ni sa re ga re sa ni dha, ni dha pa ma ga re ga ma pa dha, ni sa dha ni pa dha ma pa ni dha, ni sa re ga re sa ni dha pa dha pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni dha pa dha, ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni dha, ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Remember the choreography? Tay 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 tat tay ta ha tay tay tam, tay tay tat tay ta ha tay tay tam, tay tay dhit tay dhit tay. Then same thing you have to repeat the left. Tay tat tay 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 ta ha tay tay tam, tay tay tat tay ta ha tay tay tam, tay tay dhit tay dhit tay. Tay ha tay hi tay tay dir tay ha tay hi tay dir tay tay dir tay. Okay, I am doing the mirror image, that is your side. I am not doing the actual side, I am doing your side. This is my left, but for you this will be the right side, so I am doing your side. Remember. Next we'll do the last charnam. Yeah, you need a lot of practice for this charnam. We saw that in the last class. So okay, for this charnam what I'll do, I'll tell you the dance. I'll make you remind the dance first, because last time when I saw this charnam of all of you, you did a lot of mistakes. So remember the dance first and then dance along with it. Okay, even if you have forgotten any step of the previous chorus or anything, what you can do, you can, if you forgot, then when I'm rewinding the steps, you see the steps and then rewind the video and dance that part again if it is not clear. Okay, now remember the last charnam, how it was. Tai तै तै तत्तै ताः तै तै दित्तै ताः तत्तै ताः तै तै ताम् तै तैः तैः तै दिरितै तै दिरितै तै दिरितै तै 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 तत्तै ताः तै तै दित्तै ताः तत्तै ताः तै तै ताम् तै तैः तैः तै दिरितै तै दिरितै तै दिरितै तैयुं तत्तत् तैयुं ताः तैयुं तत्तत् तैयुं ताः तै पदनि द प म ग म रे तैः 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 तै तैः 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 ता तै तै तद् दित्तै तै तैः 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 तै तै तां तै दिरितै तै तै तां तै दिरितै तै तै तां तै दिरितै सा. Okay, we were just recalling the steps. Now you have to dance with proper hand positioning. Fine. Now, okay, get ready for dancing the last chantam. Ga ma pa ga ni sa ni sa re re sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa re sa ma ga ma pa ma dha pa dha ni sa re re sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa da ni sa re sa ma ga ma pa ma dha pa dha ni sa re ga re re sa da ga re ni sa re re sa ni dha ni sa pa da ni da pa ma ga ma re sa ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga ma pa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ga ma pa da ni sa pa da ni sa re sa ga re sa ni dha ni sa. Okay, you have to do the last all those steps also after you finish Jatiswaram. Okay, practice that also. I've given you the voice recording of Jatiswaram. You practice it along with that audio also. Keep that audio also on at the by the side. Okay, now yeah, we have to sing the last chantam also. It could be asked in the exam. If you're dancing the last chantam in the exam, you could be asked to sing that also. Okay, so sing slowly. Sa ni sa re re sa ni dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa re sa ma ga ma pa ma dha pa dha ni sa ni sa re re sa ni dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa da ni sa re sa ma ga ma pa ma dha pa dha ni sa re ga re re sa da ga re ni sa re re sa ni dha ni sa pa da ni da pa ma ga ma re sa ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa ni dha ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa pa da ni sa re sa ga re sa ni dha ni sa. Got it? Practice it. Okay? All right. So now we'll do the Viniyogas. In the next video session, we will be doing the Shabdam, both the Shabdams actually, the Tillai Ambalam Shabdam and Tandai Mulanga Shabdam. And half the Viniyogas we are doing today and half the Viniyogas we will be doing in the next session. Okay? So one by one we'll recite all the shlokas of Viniyoga. You have to know the meanings also, not just that. Okay. Now we'll start with Pataka Hasta Viniyoga. Say Pataka Hasta Viniyoga. Natyarambe, beginning of dance or beginning of Natya, you can say. Varivahe, clouds. Vane, forest. Vastu Nishedane, saying no. Kuchastale, chest. Nishayam cha, night. Nadyam, river. Amara Mandale, heaven. Tudange, horse. Khandane, to cut. Vayu, wind. Shayane, to sleep. Gamanodyame, departure. प्रतापे च valor, प्रसादे च boon, chandrikayam moonlight, ghanatape high fever or too much heat. Anatape then kavat patane opening the door, sapta vibhaktyarthe 7 divisions, tarangake waves, vithi small or narrow road, pravesha bhavepi to enter, samatvecha same or equal, anga ragake touching your own body, atma arthe myself, shapate chapi promise, tushnim bhavani darshane silence, talapatre cha palm tree leaf, khete cha shield, द्रव्यादि स्पर्शने तथा touching things, आशीर्वाद क्रियायाम च blessing, नृपश्रेष्ठस्य भावने best king, तत्रेति वचने this and that, सिंधौ च ocean or sea, सुकृति क्रमे goodness of level of goodness it is actually. Then संबोधने addressing, पुरोगेपि moving forward, खड्ग रूपस्य धारणे sword, मासे month, संवत्सरे year, वर्षादिने rain, सम्मार्जने तथा sweeping, एवं अर्थेषु युज्यन्ते पताक हस्त भावना. Next is त्रिपताक हस्त विनियोग, मुकुटे वृक्ष भावेषु वज्रे तद्धर वासवे, mukute is crown, vruksha bhaveshu tree, vajre is weapon of Indra or thunderbolt weapon, tadhar vasave is Lord Indra, ketaki kusume, ketaki flower, deepe lamp, vanhi jwala fire flames, vijrumbane current, kapote pigeon, patra lekhayam writing letter, बाणार्थे एरो, परिवर्तने चेंज, युज्यते त्रिपताकोयम कथितो भरतो गमै. Next we are going to do is ardhapataka hasta viniyoga. Pallave leaf, falake rectangular cardboard, tire seashore, ubayoriti vachake saying two or both, क्रकचे कटर, छोरिकायाम च नाइफ, ध्वजे फ्लैग, गोपुर श्रृंगयो युज्यते अर्धपताकोयम तत्तत् कर्म प्रयोग के, कर्तरी मुख हस्त विनियोग. स्त्रीपुंसयोस्तु विश्लेषे विपर्यास पदेपि वा, लुंठने नयनार्थे च मरणे भेद भावने, स्त्रीपुंसयोस्तु विश्लेषे separation from nayaka and nayika. Viparyasa padepiva means reverse happening. Then lunthane tumbling, nayanarthe cha corner of the eyes, marane is death, bheda bhavane is difference, vidyut arthepi is lightning, ekashayya virahe separation time, lying alone is ekashayya virahe, lying alone during separation. Patane tatha is collapse or falling down. Latayam is creeper or climber. Sakara kartari mukha. Next is Mayura hasta viniyoga. Mayurasye peacock. Latayam cha creeper or climber. Shakune parrot. Vamane tatha vomit. Alakasyapa nayane hair. Lalat tilakeshu cha putting tilak. Natyut kakshap nikshepe adding the river droplets onto the face or the eyes. Shastra vade prasiddha ke the Shastra scriptures words are famous. Prasiddha ke means famous. Artheshu yujjante mayura kara bhavana. Ardhachandra hasta viniyoga. चंद्रे कृष्णाष्टमे भाजी गलहस्तार्थकेऽपि च भल्लायुद्धे देवतानाम अभिषेचन कर्मणि. चंद्रे कृष्णाष्टमे भाजी is the half moon during Janmashtami day. Galahastarthakepi cha is holding the neck. Balla Yuddhe is wrestling. Devatanam is God. Abhishechana karmani, offering to the God. Bhukpatre cha is plate. Udbhave born. Katyam waste. Chintayam worry or tension. Atmavachake myself. Dhyane cha meditation. Prathane chapi request or prayer. Anganam sparshane tatha touching your own body. Tutanam namaskarye, that is saluting the nature, worshipping the nature. Ardha chandra niyujyate. Okay, now sayutta hasta vinyogas we will do. Okay, Anjali hasta vinyoga. Devata God. Guru Vipranam audience. Namaskaryesha nukramat. Now don't do that kind of movement, okay? Just rotate the upper body and little bit that way. Namaskaryesha nukramat. Namaskar is done in order, that's the meaning. Karyo shiro mukho rasto. It's done with head, face and chest. Viniyange jalir budhai. This is Anjali hasta vinyoga. So it will be Anjalir Budhai. Next is Kapota Hasta Vinyoga. Okay? Praname, doing salutations. Guru Sambhashe, addressing to the Guru. Viniyange Kruteshwayam. This is the Vinyoga of Kapota. Now Karkata Hasta Vinyoga. Okay? So Samuha Gamane, gathering, group. Tunda Darshane, stomach. Shankha Purane, playing conch. Angana Motane, stretching. Shakho Namane, branch. Chani Yujjate, Swastika Hasta Vinyoga. Sanyogena Swastikakyo and Makare Viniyujjate. Then Dola Hasta Vinyoga. So Natya Arambe Prayuktavyam iti Natya Vido Viduho Vinyoga. Vishad Amrut Paneshu Prachand Pavane Picha. Okay? Poison and Amrit. Consuming. Prachand Pavane Picha is the hurricane. Ekdam tufan like. Okay. Shukatunda Hasta Vinyoga. Bana Prayoge Kuntarthe Valayasya Smriti Krame. Using the arrow. Spear, Kuntate spear, Valayasya rest house, Smriti Krame to remember. Marmoktyam, murmuring. Ugra Bhaveshu, showing hyper, showing like high anger, like Ugra Bhaveshu, hyper hona. Shukatunda Niyujjate, Mushti Hasta Vinyoga, Sthire, steady. Kachagrahe, holding the hair. Dadye, firm. Vastvadinancha dharane, taking things. Mallanam yuddha bhavepi, wrestling. Mushti hasto yamishyate. Shikara hasta vinyoga. Madane, actually this is my right and this is my left. For you it will be this and this, okay? Madane, then Karmuge, sugarcane. Madane is god of love. Sthambe, pillar. Nishchaye, decision. Pitru Karmani, worshipping the ancestors. Oste, lips. Pravishta Rupecha, entering. Radane, teeth. Prashna Bhavane, asking. Linge, Shivalinga. Nastiti Vachane, no. Smarane, to remember. So actually Smarane, you can hold it here. So Smarane, to remember. Abhinayantake, to perform Abhinaya. कटिबंधाकर्षणे च wearing the dupatta on the waist. Parirambha vidhikrame embracing. Ghanta ninada shikharo playing the ghanti. Yujjate bharatadibhi kapitta hasta vinyoga. Lakshmyam chaiva showing Lakshmi Ma. Saraswat natanam tala dharane. गोदोहनेपि अंजने च नटानाम ताल धारणे is playing natongam. Godohanepi milking. Anjane cha is like Anjani, which we actually put it on the eye. Now exact word for Anjani, it's like exact English word that is, but it's like you can't say eyeliner or kajal because they are different things. So actually it's putting Anjani, which is similar to kajal. So Anjani, so Nata Namtala Dharane Godohanepi Anjane cha Leela Kusuma Dharane. So during the Shringara between Nayaka and Nayika, when the Nayika takes the flower, so that's how it is shown as Leela Kusuma Dharane, taking the flower during romance. Then Leela Kusuma Dharane Chela Ancheladi Grahane, taking the dry clothes. Patasyeva Avagunthane, the ghungat. Dhupa Deeparchane Chapi, doing the dhup. Kapitha Samprayujjate, Katkamukha Vinyoga. Kusuma Vachaye, picking flowers. Mugdha Sraddha Nam, like how you do it in Shabdam. Dharane Tatha, Mugdha Sraddha Nam Dharane Tatha is making the garland, and Dharane Tatha is to wear, or you put it on someone or you wear it on yourself. Dharane Tatha Sharamadhyakarshane cha, aiming the arrow. Which arrow? The arrow of Madana. That's why it is Katkamukha. Otherwise it would have been Shukatunda. Sharamadhyakarshane cha Nagavalli Pradhanake, giving the pan. Kasturikadi Vastuna, taking the Kasturi. Peshane Gandhavasave, Peshane means rubbing. Gandhavasave means smelling. Vachane, to say, or the words. Drishti Bhavepi, showing the bhavas of Drishti. Katakamuka Ishyate. Okay. Suchi Hasta Vinyoga. Ekarthepi, showing one. Parabrahma Bhavanayam, showing God. Shatepi cha, 100 or century. Ravo, sun. Nagariyam, showing a town. Lokarthe, the worlds. Tathepi Vachanepi cha, showing it is that way. Yachapdepi Tachapde, this and that. Vijanarthepi, loneliness. Tarjane, threatening. Kashye, thin. Shalakhe, rod. Shalakhe, rod. Vapushi, you're showing your body. Ashcharye, surprise. Veni Bhavane, tying the knot. Chhatre, little higher you have to keep, but it's out of the screen, that's why I'm showing like this. Chhatre Samarthe Panocha Romalyam Bherivadane Kulala Chakra Brahmane Rathanga Mandale Tatha. So you know the meaning of all this. Kashe, thin. Shalakhe, rod. Vapushi, showing your body. Ashcharya, surprise. Veni Bhavane, tying the knot. Chhatre is the umbrella. Samarthe, capacity. Then Panaucha is palm. Romalyam are the means curly hair. Then Bherivadane, drums. Kulala Chakra Brahmane is making earthen pots. The instrument for making earthen pots. Then Rathanga Mandale Tata is the wheels of a chariot. Vivechane argument. Din ante cha showing that day, end of that day. Suchi hasta prakirtita. Okay, Chandrakala hasta viniyoga. Chandre mukhe cha pradeshe tanmatrakar vastu. Chandre, crescent moon. Mukhe cha, face. Pradeshe, area. Tanmatrakara vastuni is things of this much shape. Then Shivasya mukute, the crown of Shiva, but it's shown on the left side. This is my left. So for you it will be on this side. Shivasya mukute, Ganga Nadyam, or you can show Ganga Nadyam, Lakude Picha, X. Lakude Picha is the X. Ganga Nadi and X. Esham Chandrakala Chaiva Viniyojya Vidiyate. Okay. Next is Padma Kosha Hasta Viniyoga. So Phale Bilva Kapithado, the fruit of the Bilva Patra tree. Strinam Cha Kucha Kumbhayo, to show the breast. Avarte, change. Kanduke, you show the balls, juggling balls. Sthalyam, showing the thali, plate. Bhojane, food. Pushpakorake, flower. Then Sahakara Phale, mango. Pushpavarshe, flowering. Manjarikadishu, garland. Decoration of flowers like a garland. Manjarikadishu. Japa Kusuma Bhave, offering jasmine flower. Ghanta Rupe Vidhanake, bell. So Valmike, ant hill, snake and the ant hill. Kamale, lotus. Pyande, egg. Padma Kosho Vidhiyate. Now Sarpa Shirsha Viniyoga. Okay. So Chandane, making sandalwood paste. Bhujage, snake. Mandre, saying it in a low pitch. Prokshane, splashing on your face, splashing water on your face. Poshanadishu, taking care of, it's actually taking care of. Then Devasya Dakadaneshu, it means offering to the god. Aspalye Gaja Kumbhayo, the forehead of an elephant, which is like a 3 number, like a sleeping 3 number. So that's called Aspalye Gaja Kumbhayo. Bhujasthane tu Mallanam, wrestling. The position of the, like showing the arms while wrestling, that's called Bhujasthane tu Mallana Yujyate Sarpa Shirshaka. Okay, so these were the Viniyogas you'll have for your oral exam. Now we'll do a very important topic, that is talas. We recited the Jatiswaram and we also sang both Jatiswaram and Shabdam, but you'll have the combination of various talas in your oral theory syllabus, so that you need to be cleared off. Okay, you have something called presentation of Chatushra and Tishra Jati in combination with different talas. Example, in Adi Tala using Tishra and Chatushra. Okay, we tried this once in the class. You remember, like we took Adi Tala as an option, as an example. Adi Tala means Chatushra Jati Triputa Tala. Okay, Ta, Ka, Di, Mi, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ka, 8 matras, and every matra has 4 aksharas. I hope you know this. Okay, so every 8 matras have 4 aksharas, so total 32 aksharas we have. Okay, so in like how 32 aksharas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Same way, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 16, 32. So 32 space we have aksharas. So in this 32, we have to combine Tishra and Chatushras. So how many Tishras can come and how many Chatushras can come? If we do 50%, 16, 16, 3 won't go for 16. So we have to keep 15, 17. But then 4 will not go into 17. So what we will do? So 16, 16 will put 16 goes for 4. So we'll put one more 4 to this. So it will become 20, 12. Okay? So it is 5 times Chatushra, if we say, it will become 20, and 4 times Tishra, Takita, we say it will become 12. So that's how it becomes 20, 12. So total 32. So you have to say Takita 4 times. And you have to say Takadhimi 5 times. Okay, so this is how it will fit into this Avartana. Just see how. Okay, you have to say it in third speed. So I will say the Takitas first and then the Takadimis. Okay, I will say the 4 Takitas and 5 Takadimis in Aditala like this. Takita, 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 Takadimi, 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 Takadimi. Okay, so this is how we can say the combination of Tishra and Chatushra in Aditala. We can do Ulta also. We can say that Chatushra first and then Tishra later. So now I will say the Chatushra first and then Tishra. 5 Chatushras and 4 Tishras. 1, 2, 3, start. Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Dimmi, Takita, 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 Takita. Okay, you have to say it this way. In case if the examiner asks you that you have to include Tirmanam also into this, then you have to say this way. Tishra first and then Chatushra, that example I am showing. So, so 1, 2, 3, start. Takita, 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 Takka, Demi, Takka, Demi, Tai, Tai, Didi, Tai, Tai, Didi, Tai, 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 Didi, Tai, Tam. Like this you have to say. Okay? If the examiner asks you for the Tirvana. Now for Chatushra first and then Tishra later, it will be like this. Takka, Demi, Takka, Demi, Takka, Demi, Takka, Demi, Takka, Demi, Takita, Tai, Didi, Tai, Tai, Didi, Tai, Tai, Didi, Tai, Tam. Okay? Like this you have to say. You rewind this and see it again and try to play it together. Okay? Apart from this, the examiner may also ask this question in another way. Means it says a combination of Chatushra and Tishra in Aditala. Means in Aditala, which is Chatushra Jati Triputa Tala, you may have to recite Tishra, Takita in all 3 speeds till it ends in Sama. Okay, just watch carefully how I did it. Okay? First speed first. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ki, ta. Second speed. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ki. Third speed. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ki, 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 ta, what was done, okay, first speed I did till it ends with the avartana, means avartana ends where kai tai tai. When the last takitta ends here, then you have to change the speed. Then in that speed, when it ends here, you have to change to the third speed. And then when at third speed, when you end the takitta, the last year, then it's over. So this way you have to do 3 speeds. This also in the past we have shown this to the examiner. So examiner may expect you to do this when this question is asked. Okay, so be prepared with this also. Finish with the dance namaskar now. Start.